How to clear Pinterest history. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel because our channel is really small and you subscribing will help our channel. Now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. First you open Pinterest, and then if you want to clear the Pinterest history, click on the search icon and click on the top bar. Here you can see recently I searched Sam, so here you'll find an X. Click on that. Once you click on that, your search history will be removed permanently. If you have multiple, you can remove all of that. Then the second step you have to do is click on saved and then click on settings. On the top right, there's 3 dots. Once you click on that, settings, open settings, go to home feed tuner, and here you will see any post that you have viewed. You can click on the I button here. Once you click on that, Pinterest will permanently clear your Pinterest history of the viewed items that you have on your Pinterest. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.